We kick off our show with health news. Montefiore Health System has opened the first outpatient pulmonary rehabilitation program right here in the borough of the Bronx. Our BronxNet reporter, Jonathan Calixto, has more details.
Please let me know on a scale of 0 to 10, how short of breath are you? 0 being nothing at all, 10 being completely out of breath.
0.
You're at 0?
Yes.
No shortness of breath right now. That's great.
No, I'm good.
That's great.
The first pulmonary rehabilitation program has officially opened its doors in the Bronx as part of the Montefiore Health System.
It's like family. It's like family here. They're really, really, really nice, especially Vanessa.
Virginia started coming to the program in March after being diagnosed with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
I have more energy. I want to come out more. Like before, I didn't want to do anything because of my I was afraid of my breathing coming outside and getting an attack. But now I feel good about it. It's nice.
For many Bronxites like Virginia experiencing chronic respiratory diseases or effects from long COVID, facilities were only available outside of the Bronx, but not anymore.
The Bronx, unfortunately, has not had access to pulmonary rehabilitation, although it has some of the highest rates of pulmonary disease in the entire nation. And there was absolutely no pulmonary rehabilitation available in the Bronx. You'd have to go to Westchester or to Manhattan in order to be able to access a program. And the wait list was also very long for those programs.
They love it. It's a place where they're coming and meeting people like them with the same diagnosis that they have. And, they build a family, they build a community.
Now, patients build a family in the program, but also get the tools they need to improve their quality of life.
There's some seated machines, some bicycles, some standing treadmills, and then we do get everyone on weights, even if it's 1 pound.
With the services being provided here, Montefiore tells me their Wakefield campus location will triple the amount of patients they can care for, being able to see up to 1,000 new patients every year. Reporting from Wakefield for BronxNet, Jonathan Calixto.
And thank you, Jonathan. In other news, 2 years have come and gone, and the artists who bought you Echo Leaders, Stress, Quick to Rock, and many more new programs to BronxNet TV, well, they've officially graduated from the Creatives Rebuild New York program. Our very own reporter, Brittany Scholar, has more details. She brings it to us right now.
2 years have come and gone, and the artists who have brought you shows like #Stressed, Quick to Rock, Eco Leaders, and all of the new programming here on BronxNet TV have officially graduated the Creatives Rebuild New York program. Let's check in with our artists.
I feel like we won the lottery, and I really hope that more people are able to win this.
In 2022, 10 artists walked through the doors of BronxNet TV with a dream project in mind. And with the help of Creatives Rebuild New York's residency program, they made that dream a reality.
We've had something unprecedented at BronxNet, your open work and community media network, with artists from across disciplines, local artists completing 2-year residencies at BronxNet, creating new, original programming.
Most artists usually work on a gig basis, leaving them without steady security. The CRNY Artist Employment Program supports the artists for 2 years, providing them with a salary and benefits, allowing them to pursue their projects full-time.
How do you provide them with a safety net? How do you provide them with the wages that allow them to not only live and survive, but really to thrive?
This financial stability has allowed the 10 artists to produce projects at their fullest potential without having to worry about paying rent or where their next meal is coming from, which the artists say has been the biggest blessing.
Utilizing a format like this can further expand the thought and maybe navigate to new levels of performance, of engagement.
The artists have created a variety of programming for BronxNet TV, from its first ever scripted series and puppet show, stop motion PSAs to video games, and virtual reality sets. BronxNet's director of programming, Bernardo Moronta, who served as project manager for the CRNY grant, says he's gratified at the exceptional projects.
All these shows, you know, add to the diversity that we offer here at BronxNet with our programming. So they're really impactful. So we're really proud of them.
We asked the artists to sum up their 2-year journey.
We are grateful because as an artist, it's very challenging to sometimes get resources to tell the stories that you want to tell.
A godsend. Set me up for a brighter future financially.
One thing all of the artists can agree on, they've grown tremendously.
I've grown exponentially. I've created so many works of art.
We never thought we would be like producers of a TV show. We dreamed about it, but we never actually got the chance to make it happen. So we did grow, we evolved.
I found a lot of self-confidence in me as an artist.
Although the artists officially said goodbye to Creators Rebuilds New York, their work will live on and can be checked out anytime here on BronxNet. Reporting for BronxNet, Brittany Schuyler.
And thank you, Brittany, and congratulations to all. That is all the time we have for our Bronx updates. We are taking a quick break, but guess what? We got more open when we return right after this.